Now we're going to move over to this 11mm screw. Careful, do not drop that.
Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Southdown Garage. My name is Kurt, and today we are digging into the reverse lights, signal lights, and license plate lights from Houston Speed Freaks that are now available in Canada on our website. So at the end of this video, feel free to head over, grab yourself a set of these, and get brighter. Just in time for it to get darker outside. Welcome to Canada, everyone. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And now we're gonna take these two top bolts out of here. Feel like mine's been off a few times, probably because of that nice little recoil. There we go. All right, so now we can go ahead and remove these connectors here. So we've got that bulb and we've got this bulb. So we're gonna throw in an amber on this side, and we're going to throw in a red on the other side, and we'll show you what it looks like so you guys can make the decision whether or not you want to go ahead with this. Oh, there we go. That looks weird. Very, very challenging to get these in here. Ta-da! So what you want to do is you want to make sure that this light is basically straight. So when we go to put it in here, it's just basically pushing it in place. You make sure that logo is lined up straight on the side, and then we can basically throw this back together, and we're just going to disconnect this bulb here, and then we're going to connect the amber bulb and turn, plug all that back in, and we can slide this together. Slide in this bottom part here. You're gonna make sure to line up this bottom tab here, this tab here, and then it will slide in like so. And then we'll line up the other tab on top. There we go. All right, we're not gonna bolt everything back in. We're gonna do the other side, and we're gonna throw the red in, and then we'll tackle the lights up top. Oh, I see. Don't drop it in there. There we go. All right. Absolutely not happening again. Absolutely. Like, I am not having to pull this taillight out again because I didn't check anything beforehand. Like, all of the four ways, you see, they work, right?
What?
No. I mean, I had this out already, and then I dropped something. Let's figure out what I dropped. Essentially, I dropped this piece, and I'll show you how I got it out in a second. See, the key to LED is they're one way. So when you take them apart, you have to know which way they are. And then you'll be able to, there we go. So I'm gonna take this apart again for the second time. And I'm gonna put it back in, and we're gonna test it. And then if all is well, we will put this back together, and I can go deliver some parts because I'm late. That one. Oh, it's burnt out. Shut the front door. Travis, I want warranty. I want warranty. Ooh. Oh! Just in case you're wondering, that is very bright. Make sure it's in all the way. Am I allowed to put that? I don't know. Is the universe gonna get angry? Probably. Somebody is gonna get angry. Kurt said something inappropriate, and they're gonna be offended, and I hate offending people. Okay, so if that didn't seem sarcastic, I apologize. 100% was supposed to sound sarcastic. Well, now we're fixed. Now we can go ahead and do our part shipping and make our customers happy by getting the products out on time that they've purchased from us. Now, what in the heck did I do? Oh no, that's like that, right? And now our signal lights work. I'm less likely to get pulled over. Now, I didn't say impossible, but less likely. All right, now let's show you what happens when you drop that piece into your light and then decide that, hey, I think I'm gonna go fix it now. Remember when Travis said, don't drop that down there? I did, and it's down here. So I'm going to fish this magnet down here. Oh, keep may have to sacrifice a magnet. That's what I did. So you can see I am carefully bringing this out. So if you do this like I did, make a mistake, you're gonna pull out this panel, all the trunk stuff. Go get yourself like a Harbor Freight magnet that you just don't care about, and you can reach in there and grab the spring because it's sitting way down in the bottom down there. Like you can sort of see on the camera, that's where it goes. So now you guys know why you have to be so careful. Before you even start this job, watch out, make sure you're very careful taking this out. And again, everyone, I am always here to make something super simple even more complicated. But for those out there not as gifted like I am, not gifted, then you're welcome. As you saw in the video, we tested the red and amber signal lights. So now I have a set of amber lights for one of you guys out there. So please head over to the website, grab yourself some HSF LED kit, and one of you guys are gonna get an extra red LED marker kit in your order. So head over to shop.southdowngarage.ca and grab yourself something and get the artificial intelligence flowing. And I'm only talking about myself, nobody else. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Take care, and I will see you on another episode of South Down Garage. Bye for now. Maybe it'll be brighter this time. Ha!